when you vlog, I recommend throwing down a challenge. And when you vocalize a challenge or a big goal for yourself, the probability of you getting it done goes up a lot because you're telling people, you're putting yourself on the spot. And I say it with love in my heart. And so for me, and I'm gonna make a fool of myself here, but about 8 months ago, I told my students in one vlog that my 10-year goal is to get an Academy Award for a business documentary that does something good to help the world. And people ask me now, how's it going? You know, are you getting closer to your goal? Well, hopefully I am. My video quality is improved. It's still not up to par, but you got to vocalize your goal. You definitely do. And it was Jim Cameron that said that, and he's the Canadian guy represents that created Avatar and of course Titanic. I'm buying time as I think what he said again. Oh yeah, I remember now. He said you want to set your goal so high, so if you fail, you still fail above everyone else's expectations. I love that. I love that. And one last thought I want to leave you with here. I met with Tony Robbins a while back, really nice guy. And when I shook his hand like wrapped around mine. He's a big dude. But he said something really cool. He said, the reason that 90% of people give up on their New Year's resolutions by the 3rd week of January is because they don't set a deadline date. And so when you set these goals, these big, hairy, audacious goal, B-H-A-G, bag goals, when you set these goals and you vocalize them over YouTube, what I want you to do is I want you to set a deadline date because that will push you, and I say it with love in my heart, towards getting it done, getting it done. You always gotta have a deadline date for your goals.